you love elegance, space, and water views, you have to join us on a tour of our newest listing here at 3006 Northwest Charmin here in Ankeny. This home is nestled in the heart of Ankeny in a beautiful community. It's close to Ankeny Centennial High School, great shopping nearby with quick access to I-35. Now, let's go check out this beautiful new listing. The large open spaces in this place makes it perfect for entertaining. You have a nice large island, you have the 10-foot ceilings really opening up the space. You have a dining room space, and then you also have a formal dining space, which is perfect for hosting a lot of people and enjoying a lot of good food. And check out this amazing kitchen. Check out these beautiful cabinets all the way to the ceiling, the upgraded appliances with the Wolf cooktop, the quartz countertops. It's definitely a must-have. And everybody loves a place to relax, whether it's sipping on your coffee in the morning or after a hard day's work, having a drink. This sunroom has it all. It's a perfect place to really take in the scenery and what this location has to offer. Here in this finished basement, you have almost 2,000 additional square footage of finished space, which makes it perfect for entertaining. Walks out to the pond. You can enjoy having your friends, your family over, and having a great time here with this large bar, watching the games on a Sunday or Saturday afternoon, and having a great time. Another very cool feature about this home is this sound room right here that can also be used as your personal office. And this home even offers a large 3-car garage with this 3rd stall that is separated from the 2 stall, making it a perfect place for woodworking, for an automotive repair person, and also has 220 service that is ran to this location.